The crypto industry is exploding, so let's search for the top cryptos to invest my money. Top crypto on Google? Let me check. Oh yeah, that's Dogecoin. I've heard about Dogecoin. And yeah, also Bitcoin is creating ultimate highs, so I need to invest my money on those two cryptos. Let me just inform a little bit about their website on Dogecoin, what projects they're doing. Oh, one Dogecoin equal one Dogecoin. Yeah, I'm going to pick that one. And let me check out XRP. Oh, okay, they have partnerships. No. This description is much better. I'm going to use Dogecoin. What's going on, traders? Thanks for tuning in today's YouTube video. Like you can see from the intro, this is how most of the retail investors are acting when it comes to the crypto industry. They have absolutely no clue and they're super attracted by the media. So whenever the media is telling you to buy or to sell or to keep your hands away of that project, then you should be a little bit, to make your thoughts about that one and to rethink everything. Because most of the times it is always like that. Whenever the media is telling you to buy something, then it's absolutely too late. And in this example, I referred to the Dogecoin because Dogecoin already made extreme percentages. So as you can see, with this pump to the upside, the market went up 17,000%, which is crazy. And Bitcoin did not even reach anything during this bull run compared to this account growth that Dogecoin has done. So Bitcoin went all the way to the upside since it touched the low. So look over here. And I'm going to look on the Bitcoin price chart. I predicted it already on my TradingView channel that I've seen the market creating here the last time a low, and if you're taking it from here to the upside, you can see that Bitcoin made over 1,000% account growth, which is of course super nice. But if you compare it to Dogecoin, then this is nothing. And in this video, I would like to clarify for you this one topic: why the altcoins are going that much to the upside and Bitcoin is so damn slow compared to them. Also, I'm going to explain you how this market really works, because I asked you in my Instagram story about Bitcoin. I asked you about, do you think that Bitcoin will just continue to move up higher, or do you expect over here a huge crash? And the majority thought about, or to say it in other words, they hope that this market will move up. And then I ask you the question if you really understand what the market is doing, because you need to understand everything is occurring for a reason. And then I ask you also here the things that you need to understand the theory of the market, and that you need to stick to these rules. Otherwise, you cannot make an investing plan or something like that in order for you to make great returns, because everything has to do with the characteristic of the market. So make sure to follow me on Instagram to see some more trading content and also investing content. And yeah, right now in this video, like I told you, we're going to cover up this one question about how the market really works here in the crypto industry. Why can we make so much percentages with Dogecoin and with Bitcoin we're at so low prices, and why XRP is not that interested right now, and what kind of potential XRP still has. Okay guys, I'm going to start off with this part about how investing really works, and also we're going to have a deep look on the altcoin season. So super important right now. Here on investing, you have two types of investing. You can go for an asset which is super risky, or you can go for an asset which is not risky. Everything is combined right now with supply demand. So the supply and demand will decide if this price will go up or this price will go down. You have those two options. That's basically it. If you invest your money, you can make crazy returns, okay? Or you can go to zero. That's still possible. And this is the main difference between those two assets. Because if you're going to pick one where the risk is not high, you will also have at the same time very low return of investment. Why? Because there are too many people in this market, so the market cannot give you right now huge pumps to the upside. That's absolutely not possible. And right now, if you compare it to these setups, which are super risky, how can you even attract investors to invest their money in that asset? Exactly, with high potential return of investments. Now that means that if you're going to invest in a very risky asset, you have the chance to make super crazy returns. Of course, the chance is also super high that this market will go straight to zero, or that it will be still at the same price, so it will not go really much to the upside but also not really much to the downside, or possible minus 50% or something like this. Now look over here. Imagine you have $100 in your investing account and you're just looking for potential investing opportunities. And most of the biggest investors who have millions of dollars, they're going to pick up these assets where the risk is not that much. Okay, what kind of things are you looking for when it comes to assets like this? Correctly, you're looking on a company which has given you in the past pretty nice returns already, or companies who are doing pretty nice job and for a long time of period. Okay, this is super important. Everybody would like to see a track record. Everybody would like to see, okay, this company is improving every single year. It is growing up. So you would like to see some references. When it comes to these risky assets, you will not have these track records. You will only see the potential of the project, and you're going to make over here a prediction that probably this market, this company will be super good, and that will end up in the future to be a super profitable business. And if you're going to be from the start invested in this company, you are going to get also rewarded with crazy returns. This is how it works, guys. And this is always the thing what you need to decide. Are you going to go for that low risk or for that high risk? And when I see this concept, you can adapt it and put it on Bitcoin and on Dogecoin. Why? Because of Dogecoin is that risky asset. It doesn't have that much of history. So look over here. If I'm going here to show to you the Dogecoin, I mean, it exists already a few years. So here 2014, the market has given us the first big pump to the upside. Then it had huge drawdowns to the downside, and it is super similar. If you're looking at this chart, and we're going to compare it later on with the XRP price chart, you will see that this asset is super identical to the XRP. Now the main difference over here is, compared to the Bitcoin, that you had over here crazy drawdowns and the prices are super low. But let's have a look right now on the Bitcoin chart here over here. I'm going to look here to the very past in the history. For example, here 2013. Or let me just pick up an even older chart, which is here this Brave New Liquid Index. And as you can see, the price for Bitcoin started over here at 0 in 2010. And for example, if you would have been an investor since the very beginning, so for example, you started investing in Bitcoin after the first bull run here at this low, and you put it all the way to the upside, you will be in the biggest return of investment in the history that I've ever seen. So this is super crazy, but you need to be one of the first one who trusted in that project, and this is the reward that you get. And it's super similar to Dogecoin, super similar to the XRP. This is the only main difference. And everything is regulated by the supply and demand. Because only if the supply demand is high, so when a lot of people are going to be interested in a project and they're willing to buy higher and higher prices, this market will go up higher and higher and higher and higher. And if you have a look on Dogecoin, just to have a look right now, the couple of last weeks, you will see Dogecoin was super cheap. So that was super cheap price here. It was at 0.002. That's super low, right? That's super low. And this is what some of the biggest investors, yeah, they've seen it. They've seen the past record of Dogecoin. There were still a few years to see on it. And they decided, okay, we're going to put the money over here. We're going to risk a little bit of amount of money. And this market exploded to the upside. 18,000, guys. 18,000. And this brings me right now to the conclusion. Why should not XRP also go up that much? XRP is super identical when it comes to the price chart. So I'm going to overlap over here Dogecoin with this price chart. Look here. I've already put it over here. This is the Dogecoin price chart. And look over here, guys. It's almost the same. They have similar cycles. Of course, it's a little bit different. On XRP, we can see clear 3 pumps to the upside and 1 bigger correction. On the Dogecoin, you can only see over here, talking about this one over here, on Dogecoin, you can see only 1 pump, followed by a stronger correction, and then the second pump. And right now, if you put it together, overlaid exactly over here, you will see almost the same structure. You will see also here, move to the downside. Here again, movement to the downside, move up, down, move up, down, then again move up, move down, move down. Okay, so it's almost similar. The only difference right now over here is that the time cycles are a little bit different. So for me, Dogecoin is faster. The bull run is a little bit faster. So the market is already giving us those huge percentages, which brings me to the conclusion, okay, on XRP, we can expect very soon the similar thing. And also on Dogecoin, you have the same time cycles. You also have over here every 4 years, you have ultimate highs, and everything has to do in this case with the altcoin season. Because whenever altcoin season is active, and this is what Dogecoin is proving us, it broke all these highs, these previous highs over here. They are creating right now new ultimate highs, and this is what we want to see from our altcoin season. And that means at some point this market will crash crazy to the downside before giving us another strong movement to the upside. And it will really look like Dogecoin is going to do the same thing which it did in the past. What I mean by that is that Dogecoin has been pumping up in those 2 pumps. So you got 1 big pump followed by a strong drawdown and then another big pump to the upside. And then this thing is done. XRP only finished 1 pump right now. So look over here. It finished right now only this first pump, and I explained to you all the reasons why the pump number 1 should end up at $2. And right now we expect a huger correction till this previous level of resistance now turns support. Of course, it's not absolutely necessary that this is going to be the exact same thing, but I expect it to a super high chance that it will be repeated exactly the same like it did in the past. Okay, so this is what I see right now on the XRP price chart, that the market will give us a drop before it will continue to move up higher. And I'm going to use over here the Dogecoin as extra confluence, as the confirmation that the altcoin season already started. But that would mean right now for us that Bitcoin should drop, right? Wait a little bit. I'm going to go also to the Bitcoin chart right now. Now, the thing is, when it comes to the Bitcoin chart is that at the end of the Bitcoin highs, so when Bitcoin will finish with his bull run, then also the altcoins are going to be finished. Right now, Bitcoin is doing some serious drawdowns, as you can see, so some serious corrections to the downside. That means right now, altcoin season is here. That means that investors, okay, who are already in great profit, who bought Bitcoin from 5,000, who bought Bitcoin from 10,000, they are right now just realizing their profits and they're switching their money. Okay, that means right now they're taking the money that they've invested in Bitcoin. Okay, they take this money out and they're going to put it in other cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to use right now over here. Yeah, let me just use over here this X. They're going to put this in other other crypto. So let me just write it down over here, for example, in XRP, or they're putting it in Doge Coin, stuff like this. So they are realizing the profits that they've been doing with Bitcoin, and they're putting it over here. Why? Because they've been already rewarded for investing in Bitcoin. Right now, with Bitcoin, they cannot do big returns anymore due to the price is super high. Look at this. We are 55,000. Okay, this is super high price. The biggest investors, they're not that much interested anymore in putting their money in Bitcoin because they know, okay, prices are too high. Supply demand is not given. The price cannot go up right now without giving us any kind of deeper correction. The price cannot go up forever. It needs at some time to go to the downside. And they're going to put the money, invest them in all coins, investing them in XRP, investing them in Dogecoin. And on Dogecoin, the supply demand was given that the price is currently moving that much to the upside and is doing right now everything like it needs to do. XRP also already started to move up higher, but it didn't finish right now the whole move up. Okay, this is why I also like right now the Bitcoin is dropping before giving us that ultimate high that I predicted multiple times. Like you all know, 80,000 is what I expect in that range between 70 and 80,000 is my top for Bitcoin. Then I expect those serious drawdowns, and that means we need to see somewhere between also XRP finishing with the altcoin season and stuff like this. It did in the past. Here, 2018, let me compare it with Bitcoin on 2018. Yeah, you can see Bitcoin is here already crashing to the downside. So Bitcoin already headed the top. So that was the top in December already. XRP went to the upside till exactly 1st January, and also here that first week, so 8th January, it went all the way to the upside. Which brings me to the conclusion that we are on Bitcoin right now here. We are here right now in the last move up. I expect one last move up, which will bring right now Bitcoin till 80,000, and then we're going to see that huge crash. Right now, XRP is setting up for the second pump. The second pump will occur, and then we're going to see that bigger correction. And while Bitcoin is going to do his last correction, this is the last correction, so because the market will reach here the top, give us a huge drawdown, followed by a retest, and by doing that retest, also XRP is about to hit the top, and then both are going to crash crazy to the downside. The whole crypto market will go crazy to the downside. We set up total ultimate highs on every single chart. Look here, crypto total market cap. Also over here, everything is good. The market is done with setting up ultimate highs. Of course, on the altcoins here, you will like to see the market going up even higher. That's for sure. Before giving us afterwards a huge drop. And yeah, so for me right now, I'm going to take here the Dogecoin as a leader for the altcoin season. It is about to finish the pump number 1, followed afterwards by a huge drawdown, and probably exactly then when Dogecoin will drop down, XRP will have the chance to also go up higher. We will see, as I already told to you, they are moving super identical. So compared to the left, this is the right chart that I'm looking for. Look here, let me just use it once again to see when the market will finish. So look here, the market will be here super identical when it comes to the pumps to the upside. So they are going to correct at the same time, and right now we can see it over here that the market here was not at the same time. Okay, this movement on XRP occurred a few weeks later, and this is why I see right now also, so from my point of view on XRP, we're only here at that correction, or here possible. So we will see where here or here at one of these two places. We are currently on the XRP price chart, and let's see. Probably we will really see an XRP going up to those $120 that I already predicted to you, that it is a chance, but we will see. Okay, in this video I just wanted to illustrate, okay, why these altcoins are giving us much more percentage growth. It is because these assets are much more riskier, therefore the return of investment needs to be much more higher. Okay, and also over here, the fact that the market already pumped up, giving us the confirmation that we are good, that we broke these highs, that the supply demand is given, has brought over here the biggest investors to put their buy limits orders over here, bring the price to the downside due to supply demand, and then the price from here started skyrocketing. And right now the same game is playing again. They're placing here some new buy limits, price will crash to the downside again, boom, followed by the next second pump, and so on. Okay, everything will be right now super interested in terms on how and at what time we're going to achieve these targets. I'm super curious. I'm super confident that this market will go up higher, and yeah, we will see. Hopefully you like that example over here with the Doge Coin, that we are going to compare it a little bit here on Doge Coin. From my point of view, we can expect very soon a huge drawdown due to the price is doing too much percentage right now to the upside, and we would like to see the market giving us a drop very similar like it did in the past. So something like a percentage drop of 60%, something like this, or 80%, probably even 80%. Let's see guys. Maybe we will just push up higher. The chance is always after a bigger drawdown that we are going to put our money back into this market to invest even more. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.